Hi everyone, welcome to week 6. So this week we will learn something about social network, and I just changed the plan. So next week we will not learn something about the webinar. So next week we will learn something about the Office software based on all of the reflections from our previous students in this course. So many of them recommended that we should learn something about the Office software that will be very useful. So last week I changed all of the course content to the Office software. So this week we have 5 tasks in total, and the first one is to watch this video. And in this week you need to do 2 reflections by using Slack, and the first one is for the reading this week, and the second one is for the social networking sites. So in the task 2 there are 3 readings you need to finish. So after reading all of the 3 articles about the social networking and the job, you need to share reflection of all of the readings. So please use this link and to go to the reading reflection channel in the Slack to share your thoughts, and also please give at least 1 comment to all our classmates. So the next task is to explore some social networking sites. So I provide a lot of links to different social network sites, especially professional social network sites. So please choose one of them to explore, and then share your explore experience by using the Slack social networking channel. There are some guiding questions, that you can use to share the reflection. So please remember the reflection should be at least 300 words, and also please give at least 1 feedback to your colleagues. So that's all of the main assignments this week, and this is week 6, so we only have 2 weeks left. So I think it's a great time to start working on the final. So the final of this course is to design a portfolio. So you need to put all of your inputs in this course into this e-portfolio. So you need to design your web and put all of the reflections you did in this course, and also the project products you did in this course into that website. So that's all for the final. And also you need to write a 3 to 5 page paper. So that's all for the final. So if you have spare time, you can start it right now, because we do not have enough time in the last week for you to finish all of the final, because we only have 5 days in the last week. So the last day of this course is Friday, August 2nd. So you need to submit the link to your final web before this time. So that's all for this week. If you have any questions for this course and this week's content, or also for the final, feel free to send an email to me. I will reply as soon as possible. So that's all for this week, and I hope you will have a great week. Thank you so much, and see you next week.